Hello, and welcome to our presentation on Facebook, privacy, and all kinds of other fun things. The thing about Facebook, everyone has one. There are literally billions of users nationwide, and it is among the most visited sites on the internet. Billions of people use Facebook every single day to share their lives with one another. They share everything from photos, videos, blogs, and vlogs, and anything they possibly can. Facebook brings people together. But how does Facebook determine who can see what you post online? Are there third parties examining what you can do online, and what does it mean if there are? This is an investigation into targeted ads and Facebook, user perceptions, and privacy concerns, a research proposal by Dale Renner. What I would like to do is investigate the perceptions of privacy from ordinary users and learn exactly how they feel. I'd like to use a simple experiment to determine to demonstrate the efficiency with which Facebook can create targeted ads based upon your specific browsing history. Is this okay? And were you aware that this was actually happening? There are two research questions I'd like to explore. How does Facebook use browsing data to generate targeted ads created by third parties? And how do users subjectively feel about their browsing data being used this way? The process is very straightforward. There are three steps. First step, I would like to gather data about our subjects directly from them. I'd like to conduct the experiment, and then I would like to lead a debriefing about what happened during the experiment. Step one. My goal with step one is to simply learn how users feel about targeted ads on Facebook. A moderator would ask them questions in a group setting about what they already know about the information Facebook has and what it can do. Some sample questions are: have you ever seen anything being advertised on Facebook? How do you feel about targeted ads? Does Facebook profile you based upon demographics such as age and gender? We move on to step two. Step two is where subjects will return back to their ordinary lives, but they'll be asked to continually search for a specific item on Amazon throughout the entire week. They'll make a note about whether or not they begin seeing ads for the same item on Facebook, and when the ads started to appear, immediately, within hours, within days, etc. They will be invited to return for a debriefing on the Facebook research project, and that is our step three. Step three is where subjects will return to the facility and they will debrief about their experience. The goal is to compare their prior feelings with brand new ones. Some sample questions could be: each of you spent a week looking for a specific item on Amazon and not looking for anything else. Did that item appear on your Facebook feed as an ad? Did similar items appear on your Facebook feed as an ad? How did you feel when you saw ads related to your browsing history appear on Facebook? If you didn't see any ads, how would you feel if you did? Step three. The next part of step three. The next part is that we're going to anticipate, having the most lively response from our subjects. First, we ask, how would you feel if Facebook profiled you based upon demographics such as age and gender? And then we're going to ask, how would you feel if third parties were able to target ads to you based upon age and gender? And we're anticipating people to have different opinions about whether or not that it's appropriate for third parties to be able to target ads based upon those particular demographics. And that's when I'm going to show them our actual sample photos used by a third-party organization to target ads to a specific demographic of people. And this is the first photo. You can see that this is actually a legitimate photo from an organization. I happen to run this organization myself. DJR Entertainment is my company. So I have permission to use this, of course. But you can see right away people you choose through targeting. And if we go to the next one, I can show you that we can go right down to show my ad to all men or women. I can specify a specific age, a specific location, and I can even specify the people whose interests are of a particular type or kind. What we're going to do is ask, once they've seen those photos, these ads show you exactly how a third party can actually use Facebook ads to target users just like you. How does seeing this interface make you feel? Should unknown third parties be able to show ads on your newsfeed based upon your demographic information? Should anybody be able to show ads based upon your demographic information? So our overall goal and conclusion is that privacy matters, but the ever-growing field of IT seems to make the balancing act of privacy versus social interaction an increasingly complicated affair. Are users okay with their demographics and profiles being used this way? Are users aware that this is even possible? And are users aware that Facebook is this efficient? So my name is Dale. This is my research proposal. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Thanks so much.